how to fix Bankwest app login failed. If you wish to fix if the application's login has failed for any sort of reason, so first of all, you can try to start by checking internet connection. If you're using Wi-Fi, you can try to switch it cellular or vice versa. If you're using any sort of VPN or proxy settings, make sure that you disable them as well. If you're using the Bankwest app on your Android, long press the Bankwest application, tap on the I button to come to the app info page, go to storage usage, clear the cache files and clear the data, then check if the Bankwest app is also updated to the latest version. Even after you've done all that, you're not being able to log in, the only plausible reason I could think is your incorrect credentials. Once again, verify that your PAN number, which is your personal access number, and your password is correct. If they're incorrect, tap on the reset password button to try to reset your details once and be able to see if that helps you solve the problem. So hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have got any further questions, do feel free to leave them down below. As always, thank you for watching and see you soon in the next video.